Moving on, the Kenya National Union of Teachers, KNUT, has welcomed the CBA agreement deal signed on Friday night with the Teacher Service Commission on basic salary increment. KNUT Secretary General Collins Oyu, while speaking at Rabo Primary in Nyando, Kisumu County, said the agreement was not what they wanted, but he was happy to have achieved the 12% to 29.5%, which will see teachers falling under the lower cadre payment system be the highest beneficiaries of the salary increment deal.
Teachers Service Commission on the negotiation table accepted that the implementation of the 12% to 29.5% shall be in this order. The biggest chunk of teachers in this republic fall at B5, C1, C2, C3, and a part of C4. You shall be the greatest beneficiaries. And because the CBA is registered in a court of law, which should be done by Monday next week, we shall be able to effect the review clause of the CBA to accommodate other issues where Kenya National Union of Teachers deemed unfit, and you are not satisfactorily convinced that these issues have been done.
Rise and the economy puts